Before the end of this video, you're going to learn how to set up this beautiful online banking website as you can see on my screen right here. Now, this online banking platform comes with cool features as you being able to make some good local transfers, international payments. The client is going to get to request for IMF code, COT code, and SWIFT code, and all of that before they can be able to perform some transactions. The admin can actually from here disable clients details, and some of the details the client can get disabled, the accounts can get dormant, transfer restricted, and you can see all these codes can be updated all from the admin. And this is actually a very robust online banking platform. It has most of the recent and advanced features an online banking platform should have, and you can see that the client can also request for virtual cards and get approved from the admin. And this online banking also comes with the features of billing code and stuff like that, so you can see that right here. All these are functional in this video, and for every transaction and every process that happens in this system, the client is going to get an automatic email sent to their registered email while creating account. So guys, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating stuff around tech stuff, and we show you what is working and then how you can make money as a web developer. If this is the first time you're seeing our videos, subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell so that once we release educating videos of this sort, you'll get notified and you're going to watch this video and learn my simple tricks of actually making money and then charging your clients a huge amount of money to deliver this website for them. So guys, this video is divided into two segments. I'm not just going to dwell so long on this video. The first segment, I'm going to show you and give you a walkthrough of what is obtainable in this online banking platform. Is actually an advanced one and it's bug free, and I'm going to also show you how to set this up for yourself. I'm also going to be showing you how to make money doing this same process for yourself. So the whole idea is to watch me do this and then you implement and then you get the exact same results. So guys, let's get started. So now for you to get started, I just want to the first segment, I just want to show you what is obtainable in this system. So this is the admin system of this online banking website. So you can see that the admin can check out for register a user. You understand? From the admin can actually register a user by himself. So let me just do that right now. So let's say the name of the user is Frank, and the password you can just set it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the account is mail. Available balance is 00. So you can just say occupation is active, last name is X, the person's date of birth. So the admin can just do all this from his end, and let's say a phone number can just be added here. So his house address is Doha. So that's cool. And the currency. So now another cool feature of this online banking platform is that while the client is trying to create an account, there is an option for them to select the currency of their account is going to have. You understand? So let's say I want this account to have the currency of let's say we want it to have a currency of whichever currency actually. So let's say you want it to have a currency of Canadian dollars. Registration date, you can just say today. Email, we can just select a random email and we can say this person is a divorced client. So let me just use this email. So you can see that this is the correct detail. So if this details goes well, you just have to click on register, and this system is going to get this user registered on the platform. So this is just basically how to do that. So I'm just going to give you the walkthrough on all this. Now let's come back to the customer, and now this is the client's dashboard. You can see how beautiful this looks. So I already have created an account and logged this account in on this system. So this is my account. You can see that everything works well. So now let's say we want to perform some transactions, because this is the client's dashboard. Let me log out and see if I'm just going to log in again so that you see how this works. So let me log out. Wow, so let me log in again. So this is the user login in. So let me log into my client's account. So I log in and then I put my password. and then I'm going to hit the login button. Wow, so this is going to log me in instantly. So you can see that this is the same process. So guys, I want you to follow me and watch me do this, and so that you're going to get the exact same result. So now let's see if we want to perform some local transactions. Let's do a local transfer. And what is the beneficiary account? You can just say the beneficiary account is let's still use Frank Den is the person's account. The account number is should be 10. So this is the account number. Bank name is Union Stack Bank. Account type is online banking. The amount is let's say $400, and the description is fees for utility. So that's the reason for the transfer. So now let's do a local transfer to a client. So it's redirecting us. So it says you're transferring $400 to Frank Den at a Union Stack. So this is the name of the bank. So our transaction is processing. So this is just my account. So let's say I want to do a deposit of $500. So how do you want to make the deposit? Let me say PayPal. So, and I click on continue. It says received. We will get back to you soon. So let's see some stuff that we can still do here from the client's account. So let's come to account history. Okay, let's come back to home. So you see you can actually make a transfer. So let's click on make transfer. We can do an international transfer. So you see that. So let's just do something like that. So the receiver's account name that you want to do a transfer to, account name we have here is let's say Fred, and the account number is 123. Okay, so the beneficiary name is Fred. Bank address is Doha. So if you just want to, this is another cool feature about this platform. It comes with you being able to select the particular currency you want for your website. So this is just what I want to use. So let me see if you can just use any currency of your choice. This is, and I can just put my IBAN number, the amount you want to transfer, let's say $400, and then the description you say fee, something like that. Just click on transfer, and this transaction is processing immediately. It says you are transferring $400 to Fred at okay, this is the person's name. You can just click on continue, and that goes up. So now let's come back. Okay, it's asking us to enter our task code. So this task code has been updated by the admin from this place. So once you come to user list, you're going to see all the registered accounts on this platform. So now let's come to this place and click on edit. You're going to see this is the registered details that we have here. It said this is the IMF code, this is the tag code, this is the task code, and we have other codes right here. Okay, so this is what they're asking for. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to enter my IMF code 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to enter my tag code 1 2. So guys, you can see that the transaction is processing, and it says the transfer of $400 will be converted to the selected currency during the transfer. So let's come to the admin. So now from the admin can actually credit and debit a user. let's say there is a user who you want to make deposit into their account from your admin end. So these are just the two accounts we have here. So let's for the send account, the sender's name is, you can just put Fred free. Bank name is Union, address is Doha, and this is the date that the transaction was sent. This is the date and time. This is the account number. One, and this is the amount. Let's say $800. So you can just credit this user, and once you credit the user, this is says account funded successfully. So now let's come back to home. So you can see that a successful $800 has been added to our account, and you can see that this is a Swift code. You can see that this is the apply. And another cool feature is that a client can actually come here and then still apply for card, and this is the card number. It's going to just click on generate, so they can request to get a something went wrong, please try again. So let's just come back here and see if we can enable that from the admin. So you can see that the account has been funded successfully, and you can still come here and debit the user. So you just have to take your time and do all this. So now the next segment is where I'm just going to be showing you how to set this up for yourself. So for you to set it up for yourself, you need your domain name and you need your hosting. So with these two, you just have to, all you just have to do is to log on to your cPanel. You're just going to be seeing an exact interface as what you're seeing right here. So this is my cPanel. So I'm just going to click on File Manager Threads. So once you click on File Manager, you're seeing these folders here because I already have a website on this platform. However, if you're doing this for a fresh client or for yourself, what you just have to do is you're not going to be seeing all this stuff right here. So for me, what you just have to do once you come to your file manager is come to public_HTML. So once you're here, you're good to go. So on yours, as I said, if you just got it newly, you're not going to be seeing all these details right here. So you're seeing this because I have a website on this platform. So the next thing you just have to do is to come here and select on your file manager. You just have to come and upload directly in your public_HTML if you're doing this for a fresh work or for yourself. So but I already have a website here, so I'm not just going to be uploading to my public_HTML. So I'm going to be doing this on a folder. So the whole idea is for you to get the exact same result. So just follow my process. What you have to do is I'm going to give my folder a name, and since it's an online bank, I'm just going to say on bank, something like that. So let me create my folder. So yes, this is my folder right here. I'm just going to double click on it, and then I'm going to upload. Now I'm uploading here on the folder. So instead of uploading on the folder, if you're doing this for your client, just upload directly to your public_HTML. So I come to my downloads and I locate for my file. So this is my file right here, and I'm going to allow that to upload. So it is uploading for me. You just have to give it a little time to upload this file to your server, and we are going to proceed to the next step. Okay, so our script has been uploaded for us. So once it is uploaded, you just have to come back to your folder right here, and then we are going to reload. So this is the folder where we uploaded to. I'm just going to reload that. So let me right click this. You can just click it and click on extract, or you right click and click on your extract files. So follow my procedure. This is the exact thing you're going to do if you're uploading this directly to your public_HTML. So our script has been extracted for us. So what I just have to do is I'm going to double click on this, and then I'm going to select all, and then we're going to move. Where are we moving to? We are moving to the folder we created. So this is the same process. If you're doing this on public_HTML, you just have to upload and extract this script, and then you move it into public_HTML, and after that you do a move files. So those files have been moved to my folder. So let me come back here and click it. So wow, you can see that this is good. So when you're moving, make sure that the .htcss is moving and then the installation guide. So most times these dot files are not seen. So for you to make it visible, you just have to come back to this setting and then make sure you select check show hidden files dot files and then you click on save changes. So mine is showing, so that is why you're seeing this. So now for this installation guide, let's open this installation guide and see what we have there. So now let's come back here. So the installation guide is a very helpful one. So now this is the script. So how to upload, says download the file and zip and upload to your public directory or subfolder. So it says we should create new database and import the SQL file. So let's get that done. So it says we should create database and import the SQL file. So for us to create that, let's create our database wizard. So for us to create our database, so it's just easy, it's just for you to follow my procedure in this video, so you can see that. So let me just come down right here and I just want to put a good database name, bank ddbb. So if that's good, I'm just going to click on next. They're going to bring out a place where you're going to see put your database username and then select a password, and afterwards you just have to click on next and it's going to get your database created for you. So make sure you save the details from the database you just created, so that because you're going to use that to do the next process. So the next process here is to just import and then we are going to edit these folders with the database. So we need it for the configuration. So make sure you save the details you get from the database you just created. So for me, I already have a database I have created, and that is why I won't be doing that in this video. Okay, so once that is created for you, so what the next process is just for us to come back to and import the SQL file into this newly created database. So just make sure you create your database, and afterwards just come back here again and locate the phpMyAdmin. So it is at this phpMyAdmin that you're going to import the SQL file that was stated there. So this is the database I created. So locate the database you created and then click on import. So what we just have to do is let's come back to our file manager. Now we need to download this SQL file here. So let's download it, and I'm going to download that. So that has been downloaded for me. So as I'm clicking on import, let me click on import and then come to my downloads. So this is my downloads and this is the file right here. So I've selected it. I just want to click on import. So while that is importing, let's go to the next process. So the next process is edit the account df/dbconnect.php folder. So account df dbconnect. So let's come back here and come to file manager. So let's come back to our folder again on bank. So this is our folder. So it says we should edit account df folder and then dbconnect.php. So let me edit that now. So we're going to edit it with our database details. So you can see that this is my own database details. So I have just created it, and that is why you can see it right here. So I'm just going to copy that. This is my database username. So I've copied that. So if you come here, you're going to see DB username. You just change it to your own. Control V for paste. You get a database name. This is my database name. Control C, database name. I'm going to paste that. This database name here also. I'm going to paste that, and that is database username. So this is my database username. Let me just paste that. So now let's get our password, our database password. So it's just something you need to take your time and do so that the system is going to work well. So this is my database password. I'm going to paste, and this is my password here again. I'm just going to paste that. So that is okay for me. So let's come back here. So here now, make sure you put the domain name, the correct domain name for your server. Make sure you put the correct domain name for your server right here. So our domain name is onbank. So just make sure you select your correct domain name and put it right here. Also make sure to create your email. So let's come back here and then select, let me show you how to create your email. So what you just have to do is to come back to see this place. So just come here and click on create, and I'm going to create your email. So if you once you're done creating that email, you're just going to come here and add this email. Please make sure to follow these processes so that you're going to get a good setup for your job. So we are done with editing this particular folder. So let's click on save changes, and we'll come back to the documentation file. So we've done this first process. So the next thing is account backend connect DB, account backend connect DB. So let's locate our account. So this is my folder again, account backend, so they said we should locate for connect db.php. Let me confirm that again. So we should locate connect db.php. So let's come back to our place, connect db.php. So this is it. I'm just going to click and edit it. So I'm going to edit already. So what you're going to edit is our database details again. So what I copied, let me copy my database password again. Copy. This is my database password. I paste it. So is there any other place I need to put my password? I need to put my password here. I'm going to paste. Is there any other place? Yeah, I still need to put my password here, my database password. So you can see you just have to take your time and locate this. So I need my password is needed here also. So let me paste it. So next thing is to get my database name. So follow my procedure, guys. It's easy to set up. So this is just, I'm just going to copy this, and that's my database name. So I come here and put my database name, paste. So I just take my time. I come up here and then put my database name here again, paste, and then finally put my database name here. So locate the one that is db name. Db name is database name. So the next one I'm going to select and put is my database username. Copy. So this is my database username. Paste. This first one is my database username. Paste. And the next one is my database username. I'm going to paste also. So this is my database username. I'm going to paste. So they are into 4. So this is okay for me. So here also you make sure you add your domain name. So my domain name is onbank. So whatever your domain name is, you add your domain name here so that this is going to work well. Do not add Skylark at the back if you did not upload to a folder. So just put your domain name straight, put your email that has been created from the cPanel, and you just have to do save changes. So make sure to follow through this process. So I'm going to close that. So the next one we have here is account db.php, account db.php. So let's go that public. Let's come back to our public underscore HTML, and we'll come back to our folder. So it says account, and we are going to locate db.php, and here is db.php. So let's edit that. Okay, so we just have to start the process again. We are going to put my database username first. Copy my database username, this is database username, paste. This first one is database username, paste. So make sure to put your domain name. So my domain name is www.onbank.com. So make sure you put your own domain name and you put your email that has been created. So my database username, this is it. So I'm going to put my database username, paste my database username here also. This is the particular database username, so I'm going to paste it also. So that is cool. So let me get my database password. So this is it, copy. So this one is the password. I'm going to change it to mine. I'm going to change this to mine. I'm going to change this to mine, paste, and I'm going to change this to mine. So I'm going to paste it. So now let's finally get the database name. So this is the database name here. So copy database name. Okay, database name, paste. This database name, paste. Database name, paste, and this is the final one, database name, paste. So that's okay. I'll just click on save changes again, and my savings have been changed. So let me come back. The next one is we have here is account beneficiary.php. So we come back again, account.beneficiary.php, beneficiary. Here it is. So let's click on edit, and then I click on edit again. So just have to still edit. Okay, that one specified the number line of code where we're getting it for. So it says that we should check the database on line 90. So this one specified the line where we are going to edit that. So we see the database details here. So my database name, I'm just going to click here and update it, paste. I'm going to get my database username. So this is my database username. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it here, database username, paste, and I'm going to get my database password, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. So this is okay for me. So I just have to click on save changes. So we'll finish with the first segment of the setting up. So the next one is to how to set up the email. So because I told you that the email of this system is working, whatever transaction you put is just going to go through for you. So now the first thing is you need to create your webmail. So now I believe you should know how to create a webmail. I've shown you how to create a webmail from the cPanel. Just come to your cPanel, locate email account, click on create, and come here, and you can just put something like admin, and then you're going to generate password. If you want to make sure you save this password, because you're going to need it whenever you're doing a configuration, and that is what you're going to be using to log in. I just copy. So after doing that, you don't have to click on create, and this email will be created for you. So once you've done that, I already have my own email, so I just have to come back to setup guide. So the first thing we need to edit is the account df controller.php. So let's come back here, and let me close these previous ones. So we should come back to, let's come back to onbank. So the first thing is account df controller.php, account df controller.php. So I'm going to edit that. So I'm going to edit again. So here now the things we are setting up now is so that the email and the email system sending and receiving of email will be working 100% on this platform. So I've shown you how to create your email. So I'm just going to get the email that my password was created while creating mine. So this is the password. So you just have to put your email here. Email password here rather. So that is my email password. So now make sure you put your correct domain name. The host name is your domain name. Onbank is my domain name, onbank.com. So that is just a random domain name we are using. So you see that. So just make sure you put that. So now the email is sent from the email that you created. You just have to come here now and edit that email. So now let me do something. So let's say you've created an email from the admin, and the name is admin at whatever. So you just have to come to this control and then edit it. Let's say admin at your domain, shift at on bank. So that is how it should be. So on bank. So if that is your email, you just have to, let me just select this. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to use it also and put here the email is applying to this same one. So this is just the same thing you're going to do. If you just make sure you're going to create an email from your cPanel. So I don't want this video to stay long. I just want to show you a little quick on how to just do this platform for yourself. So make sure the details are correct and they are up to date. So change the email, and then the email username is this, so you still change it to the new email of your own that you created, so that the email system will work very well. So this is it. After that, you just have to click on save changes and everything is good. So the next edit we have here is account df mail sms.php. So let's come here. So it's this one. So I'm just going to click on edit and edit again. So what we are going to do here is okay, the username of my email. So you've created your email, so you should have a username. I'm going to put my username. So you make sure you put your domain name. My domain name is onbank.com. So make sure you put your own domain name as the host name. So the email is sent from, you put the email you created from the cPanel, paste. So this is mine, the one I created. So I'm going to just right click also and paste. So everything is, so this is the password of the email. So a password will be created for you once you're creating the email from the admin. So this is the password. So let me edit that password. So take your time and paste and check through everything. So this one is cool. I'm just going to click on save changes. So I'm going to close this and then I'm going to close this. So now let's come back to the documentation file. So the next one is account backend class that's admin.php, account backend class. So let's come back and do that one. So account backend said class.admin.php. So let's wait for that one. So yes, this is it. So I'm just going to right click and edit it. It's okay. So this is it. You just have to come down and scroll and locate where the email configuration is written. So let's just come down. Okay, yeah, so it's close to the ending. So this is my password, my email password that was created for me while creating this email. So I'm just going to paste it and I'm going to come back here, and my username, my email username is admin at onbank.com. So you make sure you add your own, the email that you created from your cPanel. So make sure you add and take your time to do this process, because it's going to make your SMS and notification to go through. So your host name is your website name. So mine is onbank.com. Everything will work well. So this is sent from. So let me still edit my email username. I'm going to paste. It is same thing here. I'm just going to still come here and paste, Ctrl V. So that is okay. So everything is okay for me. I'm just going to click on save changes. So the next one we have here is account backend class.crude.php. Okay, so now let's come back to this my place. So I'm going to close this one. So this is the next one. So just click on it and edit it also. So this one, so let's see. So let's locate the email parts so that we can edit to our taste. So this is it. So it's still here. So let's scroll down a bit. Let's keep scrolling down. It should be here. So this is the email part. So this is the last one we need to still set up for the email. So let's just go down. So it should be at the bottom part. Okay, yeah, so here it is. So now the username is the username of your email. So mine is admin at onbank. So your domain name, your host should be your domain name, and my own domain name is onbank. So whichever domain name your own is, so make sure you edit it so that everything works fine. So your email is sent from your email username, paste. Come back here also, paste, and then I get my password that was created for me. I copy, and then I come here and change the email password. I come and change the email password. I'm going to paste it. So that's okay for me. So I'm going to click on save changes. So now let's check back here. So now, okay, the necessary edit has been made and we are good to go, guys. So now for you to log into your admin, you see this is the notification here. So once you get access to this website script, you understand. So I'm going to be telling you also before the end of this video how you can get access to this website script that was used in this video. So you can see that this is what we just have here. So this is how to can log into your email. So if you don't know how to get this stuff, you can still get it from your phpMyAdmin, and you come to admin, and this is the where we uploaded our SQL file. So you can see the admin login details. If you still want to change the details, this is also where you come and edit and change your login details. So for us to log into my website now, I'm just going to since we uploaded on a folder, what I just have to do is now my domain name slash my folder slash admin. Okay, so what is the link we have here? The link we have here is okay, slash account slash backend. So now let's get this. So this is what we need. Copy. So now let me come back here. So the folder I created and uploaded my file is onbank. So what I just have to do is now my domain name slash onbank, or my domain name slash onbank, which is the folder, then slash account slash backend. So I'm just going to hit enter. So wow, this stuff is loading up my admin login page. So wow, you can see that this is my admin login page. So the admin login details here we have is admin@mail.com, and then the password is 123456. So let me do that now. Admin@mail.com. So 123456. So I'm just going to submit that, and instantly this is going to log me into my admin. So guys, you should make sure to follow through these processes and do the configuration of this platform, because if you don't do that very well, it is not going to work and it's not even going to open. So now let's go to the front end. So this is the front end. So let me copy and come and load my front end. Copy. So let's come back to my front end, Control V, and then I'm going to load up my front end. So you can see that my front end is here and is loading up. Whoa. So let's just give it a little time to load up. Okay. So you can see that this is my beautiful front end and is looking pretty well. So every content you need is already written and edited for you on this front end. So everything is good to go. So you can just click on login if you have an account, and you'll be brought here. However, let's just click on register, and you can see that this whole system is working and it's perfect. So let's click on, let me see if I can sign up an account. And my middle name, country is Australia. My address, I just kind of use any address. So my phone number, this is just it. Currency, that is a cool feature about this website. You can select the kind of currency you want the account to have. So my pin is just 12345. So savings account, marital status, the date of birth for the account of the owner. I just say today, occupation, active, select the state or whatever state you want. So this is my last name and this is my first name. My account password is 123. Okay, this is my account password. So I'm just going to select an image from my account. Let me come to the desktop and this is good. So if that is okay, I'm just going to click on register. Okay, it says you should select my marital status. So just going to click on register, and if everything goes well, you're going to see that my account will be created. Well, you can see that account request is successful, and all possible verification, you'll be able to access your um, account. So I just want to click on OK. So the admin now is going to verify my account, and I'm going to be allowed to log in. So but let me just try to see if I can log in. So this is my username and this is my password, and I'm going to click on login. Okay, it says you've entered wrong credentials, so let me do it again on my password. Okay, it says account is inactive, so I need to come back to your admin and then update my account. So let's come to user list from the admin, and let me locate my account. So this is my account, so let me click on edit. So as you can see here, it says my account is inactive, so I'm going to click on active. So I'm going to include all the task code, the tag code and all of that. So my the login pin is this. So if that's okay, I just have to click on update customer, and instantly my account has been updated. So now let's try logging in again. Let's try logging in again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's try logging in again. Wow, so you can see that it works well from here. So guys, you just have to take your time and do the configuration, and everything is good for you. So just you say you should set up transaction pin. Let's set up now. So you can just create a transaction pin. I can just say 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm just going to change it, and my transaction pin reset was successful. So let's come back to my dashboard. So guys, you can see that this is a very robust and very good online banking platform that you can use to deliver your job. So guys, if you want to get access to this script is 55k. So with 55k, you're going to get access to this script. So our contact details is in the description of this video, so you can just message us on our WhatsApp and we'll be very active there to respond to you. So if you have any requests or any difficulties setting this up, I'm always available in the chat or in the comment section. Just reach out to us and be rest assured that you're going to receive the support you needed for you to set up your own. So if you want this script with 55k, just message us, and we are going to give you access to this website script, and you can deliver this kind of job to your clients. So guys, I want to see you in our next video. Thank you.